Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, it's going to be another quick one for y'all, but I did want to show you some cool little settings that will help you stay organized with your tasks. So, as you see here, I've opened up TickTick on my desktop, and in today's episode, I want to focus on this area right here, the smart list that I have, the inbox and the today. But I want to show you that you can edit your smart list to show different things. As you see here, I have only the inbox and today showing up in my smart list. But I can, if I choose, have the tomorrow view. I can also have the next 7-day view. Also, if I want, I can hide whichever ones I don't want. Maybe I don't want to see the inbox. I can hide that. The summary, I can show that as well. And I can even show the completed and the won't do items. So as you see, there's different ways you can have this set up, and you can organize these into different ways. Maybe you want the tomorrow underneath the today and the next 7 days, and you want the inbox at the tops, today, tomorrow, next 7 days, and then of course the summary. However, with the next 7 days, it shows all kinds of cool things, but I typically don't keep the next 7 days because I have a different way of doing things. And the next 7 days, although it is kind of a useful view, I mostly stay on the calendar view and swap over to 7 days if I want to see it from there, so I can get a bird's eye view of how I'm going to schedule things out. 7-day view here in this smart list is useful for some people who maybe don't use the calendar view, right? So you can use that to tomorrow. I really don't need it because I'm on the calendar view most of the time and I can see what tomorrow is, right? So typically I hide those. So all I do usually is I right click on that and just click on hide. On the next 7 days, I also hide it. Now, I could put show if not empty, but then again, I don't really need to see it, so I usually hide them. The summary, I don't use either. It's just a summary of things that have been taken care of, and I usually hide that as well. Usually, all I have is just my inbox and today. But like I say, if you want to edit that, it's real simple. You will hit edit on, say, today, and it'll open up your smart list right here, right? And then all you do is hide or unhide the ones that you don't want to see or want to see, right? Right here. And so as you see here, I have show completed. I don't really need to see that either, so I will hide that. But if I ever do need to, and there are times when I accidentally click something completed and I want to undo it, I'll re-enable that so I can see it and put it back into the correct area. So I hope that was informative for y'all. And if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.